For years, we have accepted the compromises. We took the heavy performance machines that burn our laps, or the ultra-thin devices that choke the moment you open more than a dozen browser tabs. We settled into a comfortable rhythm of incremental upgrades. Faster chips by 10% here, a slightly thinner bezel there. But every once in a while, a product arrives that doesn't just tweak the formula. It completely rewrites the destination. Welcome to the Apple MacBook Neo 2. If you thought Apple was done shaking up the consumer tech landscape, prepare to rethink your entire checklist. This isn't just another iteration. This is a deliberate, calculated shift in how technology meets everyday life, designed from the silicon up to challenge what a personal computer is supposed to be, what it is supposed to cost, and how it is supposed to feel in your hands. Let us be completely honest about the current state of the laptop market. We have reached a saturation point of ordinary. Every manufacturer is racing to build the thinnest chassis, slapping on OLED screens and calling it a revolution. Yet when you sit down to do real work, edit video, manage your digital life, or just consume media for hours on end, you hit the same walls. Battery anxiety creeps in. Fan noise starts to buzz like an unwelcome guest. The price tags start creeping past numbers that make sense for the average creator, student, or professional. Apple looked at that exact friction point, that uncomfortable gap between premium power and everyday accessibility, and built the MacBook Neo 2 to bridge it permanently. Let us talk about the hardware first, because the moment you pull this device out of its packaging, the sensory experience is entirely distinct. Apple has managed to engineer a chassis that feels impossibly light, yet structurally indestructible. It defies the standard weight distribution of modern laptops. When you hold it with one hand, the balance point is so perfectly centered that it feels lighter than air. Yet there is zero flex in the keyboard deck, zero wobble in the hinge, and a tactile finish that practically begs to be touched. The colorways alone tell a story. Apple didn't just paint this machine. They infused the aluminum with deep, light-absorbing tones that shift depending on the room you are sitting in. It feels less like a piece of industrial hardware and more like a curated object of modern art that happens to house terrifying amounts of computational capability. And then you lift the lid. The display is where your perception of what is possible in this category completely fractures. We are looking at a panel that delivers deep, obsidian blacks and peak brightness levels that make outdoor editing or working under harsh fluorescent lights an absolute breeze. The color accuracy is so violently precise that professional color graders are already questioning why they need dedicated studio monitors. The contrast ratio practically pushes the image out of the glass, creating a floating window effect that makes movies, timelines, and even plain text look cinematic. But a gorgeous screen means nothing if the engine driving it stutters under pressure. Beneath the sleek exterior lies the beating heart of the machine. The next-generation architecture designed specifically for the Neo series. Apple didn't just hand me down an old chip. They engineered a processor that redefines efficiency. What does efficiency actually mean for you? It means zero fan noise. Total, absolute silence, even when you are rendering a 4K timeline, compiling heavy code, or running multiple intensive applications simultaneously. It means a thermal design so advanced that the laptop stays cool against your skin, whether you are sitting at a mahogany desk or lounging on a couch. And then there's the battery life. Let that sink in for a moment. We are talking about a machine that easily clears 20+ hours of real-world use. Not lab conditions, not dim screens with background apps killed. Real, chaotic, multitasking, browser tab heavy, video streaming daily life. You can leave your charger on your desk, walk out the door for a weekend trip, and return with power to spare. That kind of freedom changes how you move through your day. You stop hunting for wall outlets. You stop calculating your remaining percentage. You just create, work, and consume without a tether. Let us address the elephant in the room. Who is this actually for? For too long, the entry point into the Apple ecosystem felt like a compromise. You either bought the baseline machine and lived with limitations, or you stretched your budget until it broke just to get the specs you actually wanted. The MacBook Neo 2 shatters that dichotomy. It is engineered with a surgical precision that targets the modern creator, the student who demands reliability, the digital nomad who values every single ounce in their backpack, and the everyday user who simply refuses to settle for sluggish performance. The keyboard has been refined to offer a deeper, more satisfying travel distance with a crisp, tactile snap that makes long typing sessions an absolute joy. The trackpad, widely regarded as the industry gold standard, is even more responsive, utilizing advanced haptic feedback that makes every click feel intentional and organic. And the audio. If you have ever tried to watch a movie or listen to a mix on a thin laptop,